You can manifest everything you want. You just need to know how. How come some people always seem to attract great situations and opportunities, while everything is a struggle for you? The reason is that some people have learned, either consciously or unconsciously, to work with the law of attraction. And once they started to attract great things, they then started to expect to attract great things, creating a beautiful loop of success and happiness. But the great thing is, you are able to do the exact same thing. And once you learn to work with the law of attraction, you can completely turn your life around. So here are 3 steps on how you can start manifesting your dreams and desires and become a magnet for wealth and prosperity. So close your eyes and follow this 3-step process. Step 1. Ask. The first thing you need in order to manifest whatever you want is to actually be clear about what it is you want. If it is money you want, decide how much you want. Do you want to become a millionaire? Do you want to get a raise at your job? Or what do you want? So relax your mind and ask for what you want. Step 2. Visualize. Now take a deep breath, breathing into your stomach and releasing stress and tension as you breathe out. Allow yourself to completely relax. Now turn your focus to your heart. Connect with your heart and connect with your feelings. So imagine that you are breathing from your heart, filling your heart area with powerful new energy each time you inhale, and allow your heart to expand with feelings of pure joy. Now focus on your dream. Now that you know what you want, focus on how amazing life is going to be when you receive it. Visualize yourself living your dream life. Feel the feelings of joy and happiness in your heart as you see yourself being rich and wealthy. Perhaps you're on vacation with your family, enjoying life, knowing money is constantly coming your way. Or maybe you see yourself moving into that dream house you are now finally able to buy. The key is to feel as if you have already achieved your goal, and now you're simply living your life as a rich and abundant person. So follow your own vision and stay in this state of joy for the next minute. Stay in your vision and allow your heart to be open. Now that you have created the vision, it is time to move on to the last step. Step 3. Reprogram. You want to completely shift your mindset, making it a habit to focus on the positive and replacing those old limiting beliefs. And the best way to do so is by listening to affirmations, letting your subconscious mind know that your reality has changed, and by believing in your new reality, you will automatically attract it. So keep breathing calmly and deeply, letting your heart be open, and listen to these powerful money affirmations. I am a magnet for money. Money is always coming my way. I am rich, wealthy, and abundant. I am a millionaire. The universe is constantly sending money my way. I make money no matter what I do. I make money easily and effortlessly. My wealth is growing every single day. I constantly receive unexpected money. Every morning when I wake up, my wealth has increased. I have more than enough money. I am getting richer and richer. My wealth is overflowing. Doors of prosperity has been opened. I attract money and wealth into my life. Money is making my life wonderful. I expect money to come my way. I know my wealth will continue to grow. Of course, money is coming my way, 'cause I am in alignment with the universe. I trust in the law of attraction. I know that what I send out, I receive tenfold. So I choose to send out positivity and gratitude. And so I receive divine blessings. I am manifesting my dream life. My dreams are now my reality. I am financially free. I am a money maker. I have turned my life around. I have taken control of my life. I decide how my life is going to be. So I decide to be rich and wealthy. I love watching my wealth grow. I feel so unbelievably happy. I can finally do and buy all the things I want. I am finally free. Money flows to me so naturally. Money just belongs in my life. I make money easily and fast. I even make money when I sleep. I love my life. I feel so blessed and fortunate. Thank you for this extraordinary life. I am grateful for all that I have. Now you have completed the 3 steps, and you now know how to tap into the universe and the law of attraction. But for you to make this a habit, You need to repeat this exercise every single day, and you will notice how your entire life starts to change. But to make your manifestation work even faster, combine this exercise with this next video, and you will soon become a magnet for wealth and prosperity.